Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step-by-step process how you can easily stop auto reopen programs after restarting your Windows 11 computer or notebook that you have right now. So what you want to do is, if you're going to be in Windows 11, if this video will be helpful, you can also write it down below in comments, so when other people will come here, they will know that it's worth it. Now, and it's the truth. So what you can do is to simply go to settings, click bottom, right on Windows, click settings. Then you want to go to accounts next to the applications and then click sign in options. And when you're going to be here, you can have like automatically sign in options. And while you're here, when you're going to be here, you want to here it is. Automatically save my restable apps and restart them when I sign back in. I have it on, so you can turn it off or on, completely up to you. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.